Hey savers, welcome back to the channel. How is everybody doing today? How is the weather like over there where you are? It's starting to get cool around here, but it's a little bit warm today, but it was cool yesterday, day before yesterday. And yeah, so welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by. I really appreciate you clicking on this video. Here on this channel, I'll do cash envelope stuffing, savings challenges, sinking funds, and some budget with me videos. If you enjoy watching contents like this, then consider subscribing and join the family. I would love to have you here. If you are a returning subscriber, you are very welcome back. Thank you so much for always coming back and watching me and supporting. I really appreciate it. And yeah, so I'm gonna be doing my October budget with me today. So if you want to find out how I budget my money for this month of October, then keep on watching. So this is my happy planner. I'm gonna flip over to my October monthly view right now. This is what it's looking like. I already have everything written out. I am hoping to get through this video without my daughter bumping in on me. So if you see any interruptions, she's the reason why. I'm hiding away here by the guest room, away from because my guest room is not inside of the main house, so I hope she doesn't come here looking for me. I can hear her calling me already, so please bear with me. Yeah, I've been waiting all day to film this, and look at the time, it's 7:18, so I have to get this done. So I'm going to be highlighting the ones that come out of my account with a pink highlighter, so I can know whenever I come in my monthly view to see what has gone out, what hasn't yet. So this helps me to know at the very first glance what is going on with my budget. So Discover Medical comes out of my account, and I will explain later on what this is. Car insurance comes out of my account, and the next ones that come out, this loan, Discover loan, comes out of mine. This is my personal loan. Home Depot comes out of my account. We just got a new fridge. I know we got a credit card. I'll talk about that later on as well. And Disney Plus comes out of my account. And Internet comes out and Oklahoma Credit Union. And that's about it for my account. Everything else comes out of my husband's account, which I'm going to be highlighting in blue. This is his personal loan. Utility, phone, and gas comes out of his account. So this is just the monthly view of everything that comes out of both of our accounts. This Discover Medical is this is an account that we set up when I got pregnant with the twins. Well, when I had the twins, I had a C-section with them, and when our medical bills came, it was like thousands of dollars. Even after my insurance, like $12,000. So we set up a payment plan, and then we decided to create this account. So we decided to set up this account. So this money has been going out straight to that account. It's a debit card. So and we just left it there. We don't have any medical bills right now, and we just left it there, sitting there, just accumulating. And I just use it every once in a while when I have a copay, or like for instance, I went to the doctor the other day just for a checkup. They sent me a bill of $100. That kind of money comes out of this account. So it's like an emergency fund, if you will call it that. So we just decided to leave it there, and this money keeps going there every month. We decided not to stop it. So, and then this Discover loan, this is the last time I'm paying this loan, guys. I'm paying this off with this amount. It's usually $224, but this is my last and final payment on this loan. I'm super excited. Next month, I'm not going to have to deal with this one. And Oklahoma is a new credit card. Well, it's a new loan because we consolidated some of our credit cards that have very high interest rate, because my credit union decided to give us a super low interest rate. So we decided to consolidate 4 of our credit cards and loans into one. So that's why we have this one. And Home Depot, we decided to get a new fridge because our fridge broke down, and the one I got from Facebook Marketplace is too small for us. So we decided to go and buy a new one, and we got a credit card. It's interest free if we pay it off in 1 year, and that's my goal. We want to pay this off before the due date so we don't have to pay any interest. So this is my monthly view right here. And then my goals for this month is at least 12 no spends. Then we need to continue to meal plan, and then I need to exercise. Guys, I'm too lazy to do this, and I need to challenge myself this month. And the categories for this month will be my groceries, gas, and I'm bringing back my couponing. I will at least start from digital couponings so I don't have to buy newspapers or coupons. So I'll be doing digital couponing. Angel, I don't need that decoration here. See my okay. Hold on. I'll get. So yeah, I brought back my couponing and take out miscellaneous, and I'm gonna use gold. Sorry if you hear any noise in the background. You already know who it is. Gold will be for my groceries. Green is for gas. Is this pink? Yes, pink will be for couponing. Then purple is take out. And I already did this one before I started recording. Silver is going to be for miscellaneous. And we have only one birthday this month, and it's my oldest's birthday on the 27th of October. So that's going to be it for this page. Next is going to be my actual budget. I'm going to speed this part up, then I'll come back and talk about it. Okay guys, so this is how much we are working with. I'm sorry if this bothers you, but I have to tilt this book to the side. So I'm going to be working with $4,297.59. This is after oh no, Angel, no. This girl will not leave me alone. So this is after our mortgage and everything else. So I don't actually talk about our mortgages here, and yeah. So
Mommy, can I go inside?
Yeah, you can go. Okay. She finally decided to go back inside. So yeah, this is how much I'm working with. And then here's the Discover Medical that I talked about, and car insurance. And guys, look at our electricity, $210. This is the highest we've paid this year. Well, I think I know the reason why. We had guests over here for 2 weeks. And yeah, it's a whole family, so we used a lot of electricity, a lot. And it was hot, so we had AC on and all that stuff. So our internet, utility, and the Disney Plus, gas. This is a contribution that I do with a couple of friends in Nigeria. I send it over to them. And then our buffer and extras will be for both accounts will be $180. And guys, look at how much we are paying towards credit cards. This is ridiculous. $1,000. Can you imagine what I can do with this $1,000? I can't wait to get rid of all these credit cards. So yeah. So after all of these bills right here, total is $2,000. I have it here that I'm looking at so I don't waste time punching calculators. $133.77. I hope I'm correct. So if I take this out of this one, I'm going to have $2,163.82 left over. Then coming up to my groceries, coming up to my variable expenses, the total of these variable expenses will be $1,695. And this spending and allowance is a combination of my husband's spending. Okay guys, I have to go in the house and settle this, all four of my kids, they're having something going on with them. I don't know. So I'm back. So oh yeah, I was explaining about the spending allowances. This is my husband spending, my spending, the kids allowances, and everything like that. So the total is $1,695. So when I take that out of what is remaining here, I should have $468.82. I hope I am correct. So this is what I have left with to split between my sinking funds and my savings challenge. If you notice, I am not including the travel binder in this budget because it's just I'm not gonna have anything to put in there. I haven't even stuffed the travel binder. I need to stuff it. I have $400 right now that I can stuff in it, so I'm not putting that in this budget because maybe next month something else will come up. But for now, I have to split this in between my sinking funds and savings challenges because these are very, very important right now. So the travel binder can wait till next month. Yeah, so I'm going to be putting $200 into my sinking funds. I want to do more than this, but that's what I can do for now. Then I want to complete my 52-week savings challenge because I'm going to be investing that money, some of the money, because I realize it's not going to be enough to do my kitchen renovation. So I will be planning to use my 100 envelope challenge next year for my kitchen renovation. So that money needs to go to something and make me some more money. I'm going to be investing that money. So I want to complete that challenge this month. And I am also doing the fall savings challenge with Brenda. So I'm going to be putting $257 into savings challenges, which will leave me with $11.82. So what I'm going to do with this money is just put it into my buffer and just leave it there, So, which this right here should leave me with $0 because there's going to be $468.82, which is going to leave me with $0. And that is my goal, to assign every dollar to something. This is what I call zero-based budget. So, yeah. Now, the rest of this budget kit is just my expense tracker. I'm going to be using my weekly check-in page, my sinking funds page, the debt breakdown. I've never talked about our debts on this channel. I want to do that. I didn't have the courage to do it, but I've seen people do it, so I think it's time to talk about it. So I'm going to be doing a debt confession video. Be on the lookout for that. And then my cash envelope breakdown, that I'm going to be breaking them down when I want to do my cash stuffings. This budget kit I got from Brittany of The Crafty Budgeter. If you are interested, I will leave her Etsy shop link in the description box for you to check it out. I love this October design. It's so pretty and cute. So yeah, check it out and see if you like it, and purchase yours too. Yeah, this is gonna be my October budget. Let me know if you have any questions in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll talk to you in my next video. Bye bye.